How to change our snapshot language in a few steps. We go to snapshots. Now we go on settings. We go down, 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 and we choose language. How you see, we have many options. We have many language: English, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, Filipino, French, German, Hindi. We have a lot of language. We choose any language we want and we will update snapshots in a few seconds. That's all of this video. We don't forget. So this is all in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.